Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, select Gestures. Click on one-handed mode after scrolling down. And if you are using Tricky's navigation, scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut to enable it. Following that, select Got It in the pop-up and tap on Home button. Then you can hold this shortcut and move it wherever you wish to. Now to access one-handed mode, just click on the shortcut. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. To go back, swipe up. Click on this gray area at the top. Or tap on the same button again. In order to disable it completely, go back to the same settings and click on this switcher one more time. If you are using Gestures navigation though, I need to switch mine to show you. You can click on this switcher next to use one-handed mode instead. Then you need to swipe down from the bottom of your screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, as you can see, it's on. You can go back by swiping up or clicking on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode, click on this switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!